Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, we will create our validation schema. So before render, we will write validation schema equals to yup dot object, and here we need to write dot shape, and inside this we will take an object. So first one is username. So username, which is equal to yup dot string, and then we will write dot min. Okay, so minimum character will be 6, and the error message will be username should be between 6 and 15 character. Okay, then we have max. So it is 15, and same thing we need to write for this. So username should be between 6 and 15 characters. Okay, then we have required. So required will be username is required. Okay, then we have email. So email, which is equal to yup dot string dot email, and inside we will write invalid email address dot required email is required. Okay, then we have password yup dot string dot min 8 should be at least 8 characters dot required password is required. Then we have confirm password. So confirm password will be yup dot string, and here we need to compare both the string, this one and this one. So for that we need to write dot one of, and inside we will take an array, and here we need to write yup dot ref, and we need to match the password. So here we need to write password, and the second argument will be null, and here will be the error message. So password does not match. So here we refer our password to see if it exists here or not. If it does not exist, we just say password does not match. Now we need to insert our validation schema in our formic form. So we just need to come here where the formic tag is. So we have the formic tag here. Okay, so here we need to write validation schema, which is equal to this dot validation schema. So we are calling this validation schema here. Okay, and then we need our on submit. So on submit equals to an arrow function, and here we need values. Then we need set submitting, then we need reset form, and here inside this arrow function we need set timeout, and here we need an arrow function, and here we will console log values. Okay, and here we need to write set submitting to be true, reset form Then we need set submitting to be false. Okay. And here we need to give the time, that is 400 seconds. Let's save this. And the last step is to insert the actual error message. So that we will do in the next video. So this is it for this video. And if you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.